Before we continue our voyage through the seas of strategic debt, let's take a moment to marvel at the paradox that lies within these four letters, DEBT. It's like a financial superhero that can either save the day or wreak havoc in your financial city. Just like our friendly neighborhood Spider-Man, debt comes in different flavors. Some lend a helping hand, while others might tangle you in a web of troubles. But fear not, dear viewers, because today we're mastering the art of harnessing debt's superpowers to craft our very own financial blockbuster. A warm welcome to our channel where we unravel the enigma of accumulating riches through a rather unconventional method, leveraging debt. Yes, you heard it correctly. In this comprehensive guide, we'll navigate through the intricacies of distinguishing between bad and good debt, scrutinize 3 captivating anecdotes inspired by the financial luminary Robert Kiyosaki, and unveil 3 avant-garde strategies for harnessing debt as a catalyst for prosperity. So let's embark on this illuminating journey. The difference between good and bad debt. To embark on this odyssey, it's imperative to unravel the dual nature of debt, the nefarious bad debt versus the transformative good debt. Bad debt manifests when one borrows funds for consumables or depreciating assets, such as high-interest credit card debt. Conversely, good debt involves strategic borrowing for appreciating assets or investments that bear the potential to amplify your wealth, such as real estates. The Kiyosaki Chronicles, real-life exemplars of strategic debt employment. Drawing inspiration from the sagacious Robert Kiyosaki, let's delve into 3 real-life sagas of individuals who turned the tides through astute debt utilization. Example 1. The Real Estate Renaissance. Robert Kiyosaki's gospel on real estate investment resonates deeply. By adeptly leveraging other people's capital, these individuals acquire properties that burgeon with value over time. The rental income not only finances the mortgage payments, but also cascades into a cash stream. Akin to a master chess player, they utilize leverage to amass a real estate empire. Example 2. The Entrepreneurial Escapade. Kiyosaki's canvas also includes the realm of entrepreneurship. Entrepreneurs often leverage debt to fuel their ambitious ventures. These risk-takers employ loans wisely, infusing growth capital into their businesses, augmenting scale, and yielding higher profitability. The revenue generated is meticulously channeled to repay the debt, birthing a symbiotic relationship between borrowing and success. Example 3. The Pedagogy of Prosperity. Education, a formidable tool in Robert Kiyosaki's arsenal, redefines one's financial trajectory. Acquiring student loans to invest in quality education metamorphoses individuals into high-earning professionals. Armed with erudition, they embark on lucrative careers, wielding their earnings to extinguish the debt while nurturing an elevated lifestyle. Example 4. The Stock Market Symphony. Kiyosaki's canvas extends to the stock market, where strategic debt emerges as a pivotal brushstroke. The stories of 5 astute investors unravel as they strategically borrowed to invest in stocks with calculated precision. By leveraging funds and amplifying their positions, they transformed debt into an enabler, magnifying their gains while prudently managing risk. Example 5. The Technological Transformation. Witness the fusion of Kiyosaki's wisdom with technological innovation. 5 visionaries rode the waves of the digital era, employing debt to fund tech startups that disrupted industries. With laser-sharp focus, they transmuted borrowed funds into groundbreaking solutions, ascending the ladder of success through innovation and strategic debt utilization. Now, let's explore 5 advanced strategies that illuminate the art of using debt as a stepping stone to opulence. Strategy 1. The Calculated Risk-Reward Conundrum. Embark on a meticulous journey of risk and reward assessment. Ascertain that the income generated by your investment eclipses the debt's interest, ensuring a steady inflow of positive cash. This meticulous arithmetic becomes your compass in the debt-driven financial voyage. Strategy 2. The Symphony of Diversification. Diversification, the maestro's touch in the financial symphony, prevails here as well. Spread your investments across assorted assets, a stratagem akin to planting seeds in various fertile terrains. Should one investment encounter turbulence, others act as stabilizers, cushioning any potential loss while supporting your debt management. Asterisk Strategy 3. The power of ongoing education. Knowledge, the cornerstone of financial ascendancy, shines resplendently here. Continuously immerse yourself in the seas of financial literacy, fortifying your understanding of investment paradigms and debt orchestration. The more you discern, the more adeptly you'll navigate the labyrinthine realms of debt. Strategy 4. The magic of tax optimization. Behold the spellbinding strategy of tax optimization. Strategically leveraged debt can often lead to deductions in the form of interest payments, ultimately lowering your taxable income. By skillfully navigating tax codes, you can unlock significant advantages, maximizing your after-tax returns and minimizing the burden of debt. Strategy 5. The time-tested principle of leverage. Leverage, a principle celebrated in the financial cosmos, takes center stage. This strategy involves using a smaller amount of your own capital alongside borrowed funds to amplify your investments. When harnessed judiciously, leverage can magnify returns and accelerate your journey to financial abundance. As we conclude our expedition into the art of strategic debt mastery, remember that these strategies are akin to a skilled sailor navigating uncharted waters. By employing them astutely, you transform debt from a liability into a tool that propels you towards prosperity. If this voyage has ignited a fire within, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon as our voyage through the seas of financial wisdom is far from over. Until our next video, may your financial horizons be ever expansive and prosperous.